Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, sellout. That's how the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, is being described this evening for dropping charges, criminal charges, against Trade Winds Citrus after the company spilled oil in the Rio Cobre.
The surprising twist unfolded at the Spanish Town Parish Court today after NEPA served an enforcement notice and promised to take legal action against the company.
Andrea Chisholm has details.
This was the Rio Cobre in December 2023 following an oil spill by Trade Winds Citrus Limited. After being charged for breaches of the Wildlife Protection Act, NEPA was given a fiat to prosecute the case. There were several court appearances. Then this bombshell on Wednesday. NEPA and Trade Winds reached an agreement through mediation.
The judge asked to see the mediation agreement. And NEPA informed the judge in open court that the agreement was confidential and the judge could not see it. At which point the judge got very upset and said, well, this is a criminal matter, one of immense public interest. How can it be that a private agreement is reached and no one, including the court, can see? The judge said to the NEPA lawyer, make up your mind, are you prosecuting or not?
Marcus Goff, the attorney for Friends of the Rio Cobre, told TVJ News what was said in court.
The prosecutor from NEPA said that she's withdrawing all charges, right? And so the charges were dropped, and that's the end of the criminal case. And so to withdraw that serious criminal charge without any reason being given, any knowledge of the terms of the agreement, how can the court or the public be assured that justice has been served? We feel it's a sellout and something that NEPA should not be allowed to do or to get away with.
Kestenard Gordon indicated both Trade Winds and NEPA objected to the group's participation in mediation, which was not ordered by the court. But having learnt about the matter, an $11 million compensation request was submitted for licensed fisherfolk in September. There was no response from Trade Winds until Tuesday, the day before court.
To tell me that he objects to the value of the compensation. And he never killed any fish, and therefore he's not supposed to be paying so much money.
For the July 2022 Rio Cobre fish kill, fishers got $16 million from government. Will they be compensated for the December 2023 incident involving Trade Winds? And did it form part of the private mediation agreement?
We asked the NEPA lawyer and we were told no, because she was told. She says she was told internally at NEPA that there was a separate agreement with the fisherfolk, which of course is totally untrue.
Mr. Goff now wants the office of the DPP to review the matter and for NEPA's actions to be properly scrutinized. NEPA said the December 2023 oil spill in the Rio Cobre was due to a malfunctioning boiler from the old Jamaica beverage plant operated by Trade Winds Citrus. The state entity promised to provide a response to the developments. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
Portland.